This video, I am going to show you how to fix couldn't verify your info error message on Coinbase. 1. Ensure that all personal details such as your legal name and date of birth are entered exactly as they appear on your official ID. Pay close attention to any spaces, hyphens, or special characters. 2. If any of your personal information has changed recently, such as your last name due to marriage or legal change, make sure that your ID documents reflect these changes. Your Coinbase account details should match the updated information on your ID. 3. Small discrepancies, including typos or incorrect formatting in your name, date of birth, or other personal details, can lead to verification failures. Review your Coinbase profile and the details on your ID to ensure everything matches perfectly. 4. Your Coinbase profile information must align with the details on your ID. Any inconsistency, no matter how minor, can cause the verification process to fail. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.